Hello guys. Today let's see how we can change multiple objects at once. We have absolutely identical multiple objects. We can easily change all of them at once. Just select one example, go to the select, start global edit, and now I will change just one of them, and the rest will be changed as well. So it's very easy, time-saving options. So now I want to change the color of these little shapes. And the problem is that they are not identical, right? So I can't apply this global editing option. So what can I do is that select one of them, go to the select panel, and here we have different options. We can select same fill color shapes that have same fill and stroke, opacity, or whatever you want to choose, and then just change what you want to change, and the change will be applied all the shape that has same fields or strokes or whatever you have chosen. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. And I think I have to change some little details in this illustration. Bye for now.